Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.info, and today I'll tell you how to buy from AliExpress and sell on Amazon. First of all, you should pick the products from AliExpress that you want to sell. In AliExpress, find a product with good reviews, fast shipping and reliable seller. Then go to Amazon and upload the photos of the product or make your own photos. Then write description for that product and set a price that is of course higher than what it costs on AliExpress so that you make a profit. And when someone orders from you, go back to AliExpress, place the order and ship it directly to your customer's address. It is very convenient because you don't need to hold any stock. It's all drop shipped. One more note that you should always keep your customer updated with tracking information and respond quickly if they have any questions. So that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.